Hello everyone and welcome to Infinite Financial Academy, a leading authorized education provider of CFP. Today we'll learn about the exam booking procedure and let us head on to the website. Once you have logged into the portal, you have to go to My FPSB Learning. Go to FPSB Investment Planning Specialist. Enroll yourself under your EP, that is Infinite IPS. Once you have opened your portal, you have to go to Preparation FPSB IPS exam. Once you have opened the exam preparation, you have to click Next. You have to go through the booklet and you have to click Next. You have to start taking this test. Click Yes and submit the test. Go back to the Learning Center. Once you're enrolled, book yourself for the exam FPSB IPS and choose your session. Here you will be able to see two options, that is offline and online. Choose the required option and add to cart.